Good morning, Racks. Today is Friday, June 12th, and today is Red Rose Day. Three big things for you. The last day of the Counselors Connect series. Thank you, Ms. Sharin, for putting that together. And as always, Friday is Career Day, focusing on nursery and greenhouse managers. Not something you want me to be a part of, but maybe it's for you. Episode 12 of the Stories to Fall Asleep To series from Mr. Martina will be available tonight. The story is called The Bet by Anton Chekhov, or maybe we should just call it Bet. And don't forget to sign up for the locker checkout. You got like a week to do it. Sign up. Martina sent out an email. Go check your shared with you documents or send him an email if you can't find it. Couple of birthdays for a few seniors here today. Shout out to Briasia. Happy birthday. She always wants me to say that. Bingo! And happy birthday to Nikhil Arnold. His birthday as well. Well, that's going to end the final full week of action here for this year. We got a couple more days next week. I'm going to go all next week for Phys Ed, and we'll do a few days of morning announcements as well. Have a good weekend, and we'll see you next week, Rex.